Hi everyone, welcome back to the another video of Engineers Academy. So guys, in our previous video we have seen the Boyle's law, we have seen the Charles law and Gay-Lussac's law. So guys, over here in this video we will be combining both of these three laws, and this will be your combined gas law. So in this video we are going to learn this particular combined gas law. So guys, welcome back to my education channel Engineers Academy. If you are new to my channel, just click on this subscribe button and just please press the bell icon also. So that really motivates me to make more of such educational videos. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start our today's topic, that is of this combined gas law. So guys, in our previous videos, that is in case of Boyle's law, we have seen this, as the pressure increases, the volume reduces. We relates this particular pressure and volume. In case of Charles law, we relates this volume to the temperature. As the temperature increases, volume also increases. In case of gases, they expands. So in case of this Charles law, we relate this particular volume and temperature. In Gay-Lussac's law, we relate this particular pressure and temperature. So guys, in all these three laws, we have only two variables: either pressure, either temperature, either volume, either temperature, or else volume to the your pressure. So guys, these are the relationship between the two variables, any two variables in case of gas. But in case of gases, the gases are having these three variables. These are nothing but your pressure, volume and temperature. Suppose I am having a balloon, okay, which is there at a temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. So it is there at 50 degrees Celsius. Now I am exerting a certain pressure on that particular balloon by keeping the volume constant. So guys, over here I'm talking about the pressure also, I'm talking about the temperature also, and I'm talking about the volume also. So guys, over here in this example, here are the three variables. Suppose I'll say, if I increase the temperature of that balloon from 50 degrees Celsius up to 80 degrees Celsius, then what will be the pressure, or else what will be the volume? So guys, over here we are talking about these three variables that are nothing but your pressure, volume and temperature. So guys, over here in this case, which law you will use to determine the pressure or else volume? So guys, over here the answer is this particular combined gas law. So the combined gas law is nothing but this particular pressure into volume divided by temperature is equals to K, that is constant of proportionality. So guys, over here this particular equation becomes P into V divided by T is equals to K. So that is the suitable for a particular stage, as we have seen in our previous videos, guys. So guys, over here if we talk about the two different stages, suppose a balloon is having a certain pressure, certain volume and temperature, that is the P1, V1 and T1, and after increasing the temperature, the pressure also increase, the volume also increase, or else the temperature also increase. So guys, this will be having the P2, V2 and T2. These are the different variables at second stage. So guys, this particular equations become this P1 V1 divided by T1 is equals to P2 V2 divided by T2 is equals to K. So guys, this is the equation, and that equation is termed as this particular combined gas law. So guys, in thermodynamics, most of the sums you will be able to solve by using this particular combined gas law. So guys, you have to just remember this simple law of combined gas law. So guys, over here this particular pressure will be in PSI, that the pressure will be in PSI or as kg per centimeter square. The temperature will be over here in degree kelvins, and the volume will be in millimeters cube or else meters cube. So guys, these are the units which relates related to your this particular combined gas law. So guys, over here in this video we have seen this combination of these three gas laws, that is the combined gas law. So guys, I hope you understood this simple combined gas law. So guys, thank you for watching my video, guys. Please do subscribe to my educational channel Engineers Academy.